feeling ko meron yan dyan. O, sige na sa Mr. Price na lang to.
Yeah, hello guys.
Ay, wala tayong pera, guys. 10 lang yung pera ni Papa mo. Wala na rin tayong pera sa Revolot natin. Ay, Papa naman.
Ma, this is my driving. Over here.
Nakalak pa itong mga pinto
Oh
dito.
my god, this is so cool. That's good.
Ano?
Bakit open pa rin
Ay,
ang
sa
school
October
natin?
17 pala. Kailan bang open day nila? Bukas or sa Friday? Ang open day nila.
This is where my mama works.
What is the work of your mother?
The nurse.
Sino?
Head nurse ka, ma?
Grabe ka namang head nurse.
Ayun naman yung batang
Oo.
yung batang yung
Lumag.
maliit yung lumog. Nung sa prego tayo.
Andun siya.
Nurse na hindi pala tatay noon.
Tapos yung nanay, nurse din.
I'm allergic to pepper. This is why. We're stopping here. We're going to Mr. Price today.
Sabi ko sa'yo pre-course mo. Pwede ba ako dyan? Call in.
Ano ba daw na ano ba daw yan? 618
And
Ano yun ma?
Hindi ko
tomorrow's gonna be I don't know.
Hindi ko alam.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Kung allowed ako
Thursday.
dyan?
Thursday
Hindi ko
tomorrow.
alam kung anong mga lesson ang nandyan.
You know, on Friday we play games in our school.
Ano lang daw yun sa...
Yeah, never
Ako,
mind. I'm
yun
in
din
my
ako.
pajamas.
Hindi ko alam.
I don't need slippers. Never mind on me. Take a baby pants. I love this. And
Ikaw gagawa ng paraan.
there's new students coming in our school today.
Who? Who is that student?
There's a bunch, ma.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
From
Ukraine, from other what?
other countries?
And Philippines, other
Si,
countries.
ano naman
Yes.
yun? Si Eileen naman yun.
Si?
Si Eileen. Si Maya naman yan. Si Maya, oh.
Ano?
And my mom's friend, that guy.
Ewan ko.
That guy.
Hindi ko naman alam. Baka meron naman na siyang pundo. Nag-ano lang siguro siya.
It's almost
O baka may pupuntahan.
ending. So have a good day.
Happy na daw siya ngayon.
Have a very amazing day,
Siya
and
ulit.
have your family a good life. Bye bye.